Well, you can have a nice view on the river. So you're the leader now.
Tell us. Good river.
Beam bridge. Not because of the trees,
Hmm?
but because there was a beam to hold the ship.
Beam.
Yeah. On the opposite side you see a hotel, it's called Bellevue Hotel. It's empty now because the owner was bankrupt. Yeah. So you can rent it, the hotel. It has 12 bedrooms and it costs you 17,000 a month. Okay. Also with a restaurant, of course.
Well,
Lovely view.
I mean.
Date here, 1618, and above you see the sign of Dordrecht, the flag of Dordrecht, red, white, red, and white, that is, how do you call it, it's a thing to where ships put on. Will it hold the umbrella? On the other side also there's a gate here, there used to be a gate here. So if you enter the city, first, open the door.
I feel like Angela was judging him. But
Yeah, I do too.
I like him. He's
I do
kind of
too.
quirky old
Yeah.
teacher.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh goodness, yeah.
Well, a little bit about the map here. It's a little bit windy, but it's dry.
Is that a lighthouse?
No, it's not a lighthouse, it's a water tower. You see on the opposite side is a water tower. It's not used anymore as a water tower, it's now a restaurant. Yeah, it's on the other side of the river, that's called Zwijndrecht. And that is Papendrecht. That is the head office of factory making airplanes. This is also a nice restaurant. Small but nice. Hello.
I do too. It's pretty.
Bridge. It's called the Damiate Bridge. The city council wants to put away 500 parking places here in the center because they don't like all the cars here. But yeah, the people who live here say, yeah, where do I put my car then? Yeah. It's always a dilemma. Well, you can see the other group also does that. You can make a very nice picture on the bridge or over the bridge. There's a little story about this bridge. It was built in 1815, but the Dordrecht Council don't want to spend much money on the bridge. So they let the
Claus's boat.
You're not allowed your new yacht here in the harbor. Only old. Look out, there's a car coming. There used to be 8 breweries in the city with all nice names, but all they are sold by Mr. Heineken.
Autumn.
Yes. Nice names, hè? Fata Morgana. Oh, where you're standing now, this is called the Kuipenshaven, and the Kuip is the red thing there. Very good. Why? This warehouse is very big. It's famous because in the 16th and 17th century there was a little bit cloud and the house was hanging over a little bit. You see that? Yeah. Always people think they couldn't build in those days. That's not true. They did that on purpose. Why? They did that on purpose. Well, there are 3 reasons. First, they thought, well, if the house is a little bit like that and the rain will come, it will fall off. Well, but also, I have a little bit more.
Yeah. It looks pretty old.
Well, you know, as Smash Mouth says, time starts coming and it don't stop
Show a
coming.
picture. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I don't think they're fake. So that's the first one. I think that's the reason.
That's what we do. Yep. Ooh, watch out. Ooh, teeny tiny.
Street. This is the most narrow street of the city.
That's crazy.
People don't want to go in the street.
Yeah.
Sorry. Or at least rob it.
Yeah, no. Smells good. Oh, I
We're
could,
almost at the break. Yeah, that's 50 meters from me.
I could go for it. Don't.